Okay, they put a lot of stuff in on this video, so it might be a little longer. 2 sinks for the master bath. Looks like stone for the fireplace. Steps, porch, I don't know. Here's one of the cubbies they're putting in. Trace had designed specifically for me to throw all my junk on when I come home. Okay, other stuff, the lighting, coach lights. For some reason, they bought us a dehumidifier. I always put one in the basement anyway, wherever we've lived. Okay, new steps are in. Still have not installed the electric fuse box and stuff. But I think you're gonna be surprised how much they've done in a week. Only a week. Cardboard's still down, so you still can't see the flooring so much. When you come in through the garage, they've done all the wood trim around the floor and the doors. Very nice. And there's another part of that big tone in the garage for my stuff is going to sit on top of this, so that wall's going to be used. This is the utility room. They got all the doors in. Beautiful doors. Utility sink. Counter. Washer and dryer go there. Oh, trimmer on the windows. A little hard to see, a glare there. And on the other side, a folding table. Doors are beautiful. A lot of dust in here from them working with the doors. Sweet. We went with the darker wood, not the typical oak that we've been used to in the last couple of houses. This is the master bedroom. Trim. Everything's up. All the trim along the wall. We got the shelving for our master closet, waiting to go in. Here's, we shut the bedroom door. There, and this is a small kind of like linen slash whatever we're gonna put in it. Closet. And did the trim on the floor in the closets. The other side. Trimmed all along on the inside of the closet. It's very cool. Beautiful doors. You can see all the trim along the floor. Trim on the windows. Very nice trim. Matches the windows and the cabinetry. Trace is geeking out about the kitchen cabinetry right now, which is really beautiful, and that'll be next. And use the door going into the master bath. Very nice. All right, here's the 2 sinks, so go there. Mirrors are already up. Big window, tub, standalone tub's gonna go right there. It's bigger space than it looks on the camera. Trace wants the window sink. Fine with me, I don't really care. Happy wife is a happy life, right? There's, again, is the master shower. Very nice. I think they're, other than putting fixtures in there, they're done with that. It's really beautiful. Okay. Oh, here's another big cabinet, tall one. I'm gonna back up enough. I don't want to keep zooming in and out. For next to the master closet. This is the big linen closet. They're all slow close. One on the bottom. Slow close. It's kind of cool. It doesn't make hardly makes any sound. But they've drilled the holes in the master closet. They'll be putting the shelving in. All the trim on the floor, everything's done in here. Yes. Now heading back out. Master bedroom. Doors are closed. Garage door. Here's all the trim. This is the second part of the living space. They got the trimmer on the windows, and the two outside ones are crank out windows. Very nice. And you've got probably another trim piece to go here. Wood, dark wood trim. You can see where the drywall, where they've cut it. And here's the front door. I still got because there's so much dust in here from them working. Probably sanding the drywall and stuff. But still can't give a good picture of the door yet because they're keeping it wrapped up. But they are locking the door now. And we brought ceiling fans and stuff. We're going to leave here for them to install for us. I believe this is the office. Just going to be a light at the ceiling. Closet doors. Like I said, everything's dusty. That's not scratches. Everything's dusty. Drilled the holes again for shelving. Magnets instead of a spring like a ball for a latch. So it's much quieter. Trim around the office windows. And I finally got a decent name anyway for windows. They've installed the door at the bottom and updated the steps. And the door's down there. The basement has not changed, but they did put in the safety rail along the basement steps. Really very cool, beautiful. We picked like metal rails. They gave us a lot of good suggestions too. They weren't shy to say, well, how about this? And most of the times we nodded. Sometimes we didn't. So it's just a support till they finish it, I suppose. All right. And I don't have this is the guest bathroom. They got that and the mirror in, like the other bathroom. All the cabinets are in. And we chose a wider door for the guest bathroom because of handicap or Tracy's mom. She has to live here with us for a while. That she's got better access in and out of that room. The guest bedroom is going to be carpeted, and same with the office room. And go to the sunroom. All the windows are trimmed. They got our mantle up. Jim, you asked about the mantle. And this whole thing above and below the mantle is going to be stonework and around the bottom. They haven't done that yet. And it's going to go all the way to the ceiling, stone. Here's the trimmed windows. Floors are all trimmed. It's beautiful. Sliding door, all trimmed. And now we'll finish with the kitchen. Okay, coming into the kitchen. everybody's in the way, so you can't really see. You guys want to scooch so I can scooch? I know. Well, I'm doing my video, and this is far more important at the moment. There's the island, and we got quartz. Very big island. We got quartz. The colors are. I thought there was kind of an olive green in there, but it changes. It's very pretty. I'm very happy with the choices so far. And there's where the refrigerator will go in this slot. The cabinets are very, very high. Trace will need stilts. I can raise them. That's a fridge will go in there, a water line. Stove's gonna go here, gas line again. Gas stove. Quartz on either side. The cabinets are really beautiful. They're Schlabach in Millersburg or something like that. Very nice. And they all have slow close. Trace paid, or we wanted the extra to do a spice rack that's built into the door of that cupboard. It's pretty cool. Makes the shelves a little shorter, but there's a lot that can be set in the shelves in the door. That's really, really cool. And also, so close, super quiet. Isn't that nice? There's the electrical box for the over the stove microwave, which we've already ordered all those. They're going to install them for us. And here's the kitchen window. The sink's going to go there.
It's going to be pretty as it is. Yes,
very, very pretty. And the dishwasher is going to go in there. And there's our, oops, stepped on something. There's our sink with a black. I do. We went with a non-split, just one big sink. Black. So I think that's about it. I think I can call it a day on this video. But a lot got done. The floors are actually done, but they still have the cardboard down. So I'll do another video when they finally cleared that. But I think they're getting pretty darn close. Very nice. Even the column here, they would have trimmed the bottom. Very nice. Love it.